Today I am going to show you the double router IPv6 connection. First I am taking the components, the PC0 and PC1, and the routers 2811 two pieces. Okay, then add a serial port, name 4AS, then turn the router 1 and router off. Exactly add like router 0, then turn the switch 1. I connect the router and PC0 and router 1 and PC1, then connect the routers with serial port. Okay, I'm addressing the IPv6. This is the PC0 IPv6 network. This is a 64-bit network. And I am setting the routers network. This is just for understanding easily. I am addressing the whole three networks. Then I am configuring PC0 desktop IP configuration, then IPv6 address, those viewers who saw my part 1 and part 2 video, they can understand easily in this portion, and the viewers who are new in this video, please review my last. Now I'm configuring router 0. At first I need to open my port FA 0/0 and AC 1/0. And no shut is the command for opening the port. The important thing is you need to write IPv6 unicast routing, then set IPv6 address to FA00 and AC10. Now I am saving it. and do exactly the same for router 1. Go to CLI and configure it. First enable it, then configure terminal, then IPv6 unicast routing, then enable FS00 and AC10. Okay, then place IPv6 address to FA00 and AC10. Now I'm saving it. Now go to router 0 and uh, configure it to static routing. So I need to write IPv6 root, the PC1 network, then next hop address. This is the PC1 network and AC10 router 1 address. This is the router 1 address, right? Now I'm going to PC router 1 and configure to static routing. So IPv6 root, PC0 network, then next hop router 0 AC10 address. Okay, I'm saving it. I'm saving this too. Now I'm checking it's pinging or not. Okay, ping and PC1 IP address. This is pinging. So uh, I'm right here. I code it correctly. Now PC1 to PC0 ping. Okay,